Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mochamad Ergi Fawaza Sidiq from English Education Study Program in class 1A Indralaya with student number 06011282429063. So in this video, I will give you a brief summary on topic that I think the best topic in this subject and the topic that I think I need to relearn and suggestions for the class and the lecture. Let's go. So for the topic that I think the best topic in this subject is intonation. Why? Because it's quite easy for us to understand. We use it in our daily life for communication, right? So it is like natural topic that I think it's easy for us. So for the brief summary, intonation refers to the variation in pitch while speaking, which can convey different meanings, emotions, and grammatical structures. It plays a crucial role in communication as it helps listeners interpret the speaker's intent. Intonation patterns can indicate whether a statement or like a question or assertions, express excitement or sarcasm, even signal the end of thought. In English, for example, rising intonation at the end of sentence often indicates a question, right? While falling intonation typically suggests a statement or a comment. Mastering intonation, I think it's very, very helpful for us, like very demure, very mindful for us because it can give us the effective spoken communication and enhance clarity and engagement in conversation. So what is the topic that I think I need to relearn? I think it's diphthongs. Why? Because it kind of simple actually, but I think I need to relearn it again. So for the diphthongs are complex vowel sounds that begin with one vowel sound and glide into another within the same syllable. Understanding diphthongs is essential for improving pronunciation and listening skill in English. Like they have three key areas to focus, like identification of diphthongs, articulation, contextual usage. Like it's quite hard for us to understand, especially for me, like recognizing common diphthongs in English such as I in my, A in say, O in go, and then practicing how to produce diphthongs correctly, like including the transition between vowel sounds, and understanding how diphthongs function within different words and sentences to enhance fluency. Like relearning these aspects, I think, can greatly improve my speaking level. Right. And for the suggestion for the class and the lecture, I hope that our class is going like better and better and better in the next semester. I mean, Ya Rabbal Alamin. And I think it could be fun if we do a feedback session, like we can provide opportunities for us students to practice speaking and receive constructive feedback from you, our ma'am tita. And then I think for interactive activities, like we can role playing as a group discussion for the material for this subject, right? Yes, I think that's all that I can say for this task. In conclusion, understanding a lot of topic in this subject is very, very vital for mastering spoken English. Like we can improve our communication skills in this topic, in this subject, like implementing interactive learning strategies. I think will not only make the process enjoyable but also more effective, right? I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.